Hello everyone, and today I am going to make a video about one of the most influential books, one of the best books that almost every person should read. And this book would actually help even the highest and the most motivational man on this earth. This book and its summary is about none other than the Tony Robbins Awaken the Giant Within. It is one of those books that not only awakens the literal giant within you, but it helps you to become more happy, more fulfilling, and just all the top of the world of your own destiny. Yeah, destiny. The Tony Robbins talks a lot of times about destiny. Like he had said a million times in the book, like destiny, destiny, destiny. You need to achieve this. You need to achieve that. You need to do this. You need to do that. You have to do this. You have to do that. You have to raise your standards. You have to change your limited beliefs. You have to do this, that. To become a person that's like a whole next level to yourself. Then is that the purpose of life? Is that why this book is whole written? What's the purpose of reading this book? Why would you read this book? Why would you listen to my summary of this new book, Awaken the Giant Within, which is actually not new, but this summary is. So because sometimes we see that some books may help you have a deeper meaning towards life, and the books like this, and the deeper meaning books would be like Robin Sharma and all those 5am club books where you would have a deeper meaning to your life, or Man's Search for Meaning. But books like this, Awaken the Giant Within, these books help you crawl out of yourself into a good, achievable yourself, a better identity, behavior, a better personality to yourself, which just leaves the old you back at the shades. This one makes you a person that it's like a new level, a new development to yourself that you may not have seen before on. This book, I'm sure, will help each and every person, no matter who reads it, because it makes a whole lot of monstrous things out of even a smallest petal. It helps you have a fulfilling, happy, purposeful, and an extraordinary life. Why do we read books? Why do I give summaries? So that we may learn from extraordinary people. If we copy, imitate, this is Tony Robbins' lines, if we copy and imitate whatever the people who are already happy, already successful, already fulfilling, and already so purposed, if we just copy their level of what they're doing, and we may as well have those things in our life. I am not just a copycatter, but I am a learner too. So are you. That is why you are listening. And that is why this is summary about this wonderful book, and I am going to go ahead, not waste too much of time of yours and of mine. So the books, what's it about? Why should you read it, and what is the summary that I would give so that you would have fun with the summary? First is that this book has helped more than 10 million people. This book is a very good book. It is a sequel to the first book, Ultimate Power, but this book has some segments and areas which overthrow any book that is ever written. Even the latest books that he has written, those are not as awesome as this one. That's what I hope it should be, because in this book you not only be motivated towards a better, achieving a better quality of your life, you not only go all your make all your BS of your mind, your limited beliefs, your stupidness out of your mind and into a dustbin. You not only improve your quality of life by having your standards. What are standards? Like from tomorrow on I will never stop a day without exercising. From tomorrow on I will never stop a day without reading a book. From tomorrow on I will drink tons and tons of water, at least 8 glasses a day, no matter what. Those are standards. He helps you have standards. He helps you have values in life. This is the tricky one. He helps you have values in your life. What are your values? What is even a value? A value is something that you aspire towards. Courage, wisdom, compassion, kindness, all of those are values. He helps you align your own value system, your own personal compass. He calls it a personal compass. Like, we can even take that in a pocket. That type of compass. So he literally gives a lot. There is no saying that he doesn't give a lot, that why shouldn't you read a book. He also helps you have a good state of mind all throughout the day. There is a method of his and his alone, that is developed tools which help you have good state of mind, which help you change the words that you say to yourself, so that you become a more extraordinary person. It's like, if I say to myself all day long, I'm bad, I'm bad, I'm bad, then I would feel bad. But he suggests that not change the word itself, but the edit the word. I may say that I am not as bad, I am not as bad, I am not as bad. It might change the intensity and the epitomeness of the word. That's a transformational vocabulary that I will go on later on. But the first thing is that he raises all your standards, changes not bullshit, belief system. He changes all of your belief systems. He helps you get values in your life. He helps you get good state of minds. And one other thing, he has this system called NAC, neurologic associative conditioning, where he helps you get over one of your bad habits, or maybe 3 or 5 of your bad habits, and get them rid out of your system forever. Like, if you follow his principles and you be determined to never ever go back to that bad habit, you condition yourself again and again that I will never do this, I will never do this, I will never break this habit, then he has a tool, a system, a systematic way of medium where you would be able to break that habit for sure. That's great, right? If someone wants to just give up a very bad habit, like watching tons and tons of bad thing, then that guy would help you get rid of that habit forever. It's like gone forever. Then all of these standards, after these standards, all of these things, after values, it also helps you get a good deal out of your life. Yeah, I finished that right. Get a good deal out of your life. What does this good deal means? It means that he helps you question yourself in a way that you realize what are the good deals of your life. It's like, my good deals are like, I play football and that makes me feel good. I play video games and that makes me feel good. That are my good deals. What are your good deals? Maybe going into Ferrari world, maybe just talking to tons of people, maybe going to a power talk, maybe going to a swimming class, maybe tennis class, maybe any other class. Those good deals help you have a better life. It's like, if I stay closed up in this room for like 10 decades, then I would be a different person than I would if I just go outside and talk to tons of people for 10 decades. That would be a different person. If I have same values, same everything, but if I stay here for 10 decades, and if there is another circumstance that I go outside, who do you think would be better? This guy sitting here, or that guy running there, talking to people, having his deal of fun? Which would be better? Of course that one. You don't have to think about that. Of course that one would be better than me. He would have tons and tons of good stuff in his life. Don't worry, he would be better than me. So you have to understand about what good deals are about you. And then the last one, it's like having a good personality in life. That's a crack. That's a nut crack. If you have a good personality and values are different, okay? That's where I also got confused. If you have a good values towards life, you might not have a good personality, and your personality also matters. It's like the when the bulb of your whole essence. What is the bulb of your whole essence? The words were little bit cracky, but what I'll explain it to you is simply, it's like what is your thing, that thingly thing that makes you happy to yourself. Not a thing that you do, but a thingly thing within your mind that literally makes you yourself, something of a personality type. So what's a personality type? I'll explain that to you. It's like, listen, This is a pen. I want to explain this to you, that is why I am doing this. This is a pen. The pen's ink are its values. The outside shell is its personality. The values are important, but the outside shell is also important. And it's like if this pen stays here for the rest of its lifespan, it might not be of good use. But if it goes outside for a decade, then it would be much of good use. It would have a good lifespan. The pen would be used. The pen would be happy. Yeah, he would be happy. That was a good deal one, the personality one, and the good values. And then after all of these things, after he gives us so much of this, I spoke of 7 to 8 different things. If you even do 3 to 4 things out of these 7 to 8 things, your life would literally go to the rocket bounce. You would just fly above. You would be really awesome. So first thing is that how do you achieve all of those things? It's very too easy to do, so don't worry. You would be guided by the Tony Robbins himself. Reading these books, you would be able to do everything easily. Then the next thing is that after you read the whole book, after you do everything, after you become the person that Tony Robbins wants you to through his reading, what's next? Well, he has a 7-day challenge for the people who are over hyper about their life. It's like this 7-day challenge. Every day you do a different thing, and these 7 days are not anything new, but an insight towards what he has learned over the years, and to help you have a super duper next level, even after doing tons and tons of stuff. It was like, for me, it was like इतना सारा किया, इतनी मेहनत की भाई, तुमने मेरा अंदर से पूरा जायंट बाहर निकाल डाला. अब क्या चाहिए तुझे मेरे से. बट टोनी रॉबिन्स वाज लाइक, हमने ये सब किया तो भी ये 7-day चैलेंज वुड कंडीशन योर सेल्फ टू बिकम ऑसमली ग्रेट इवन आफ्टर यू हैव डन एवरीथिंग. And he never stops. He wants you to do constant and never ending improvement, even though you are already at your 1000% improvement. So this 7-day challenge, I'll give you a summary of it. In some of the days there is how to become more healthy. He has this methods because he's like a motivational speaker for tons and tons of time. So he tells you what is definition of health, fitness, what's the difference between health. If a person is healthy, can he be fit? Or if a person is fit, is he healthy? There's a difference between two, and he'll explain more on the book. Then there are different ways to how be on a good state all the time, how to just be on your values all the time, what are important values, how to just feel them every time, how to invest good, how to manage your time. Yes, these things are also in the 7-day challenge. Every day is a different one. How to manage your time, how to just do things no matter what. And after the 7-day challenge, I thought, oh, this is it. But there came a motivational final tata bye bye talk, which I mostly didn't wanted to read, but it's like what a man can accomplish, or what any person can accomplish, even a woman. So it's like if you have all these things, if you have awakened the giant within from yourself, what should you be able to accomplish? What is the capacity of a person? Can you become this Bahubali or Martin Luther King after everything? Can you do that? And it's just a very big passage to motivate you to become a better self and to become a better ideal to which you yourself strive towards. It's something like that. It's like if you find another ideal and strive towards that ideal, you might find it motivating. But this one, if you read this one, you would make yourself a new ideal. It's like you become so motivated. Isn't it so that when you when you watch a very motivational video from anywhere, you become so highly motivated for the moment that you just jump up, do this, do that. You become so motivated. It's just like that. When you will read this paragraph, when you will read and go through this whole paragraph of the last things that he says, you would become your own ideal. You would take action, you would do this, you would do that, you would just have the fun of your time, you would become happy. That is all. you would become happy that you would be able to achieve anything if you desire to. And if you don't have goals, don't worry, Tony Robbins will help you with that too. There's a chapter in that too. Okay, so that's the summary of the Tony Robbins Awaken the Giant Within. Let me know in the comments how you liked the video. Thank you.